Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about activity lifecycle in Android applications. Understanding the activity lifecycle is essential part for creating responsive and powerful application. Activity lifecycle is a series of stages that dictate how an activity behaves throughout its life. These stages include on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, and on destroy functions. It's like the heartbeat of your application. So let's get started. This is the empty project which I have two activities. The first one is first activity and the second one is second activity. As you can see, on create method is already overridden when we create the activity. So I'm overriding all remaining functions. So simply press Alt Insert and select override methods, and the first method which we will override is on start. As you can see, it is here, so simply select on start and press OK. On start is overridden. Similarly, we will override all the remaining functions. As you can see, I have overridden all the methods. So let's create a string tag which I will use to print the log messages. The log message can be used to monitor or to understand the operation of the function or to debug the problems. So when the onCreate method will be called, the log message will be log.d, and this log will receive two parameters. The first one is tag and the second one is message. So when this method will be called, we will print some log here, and similarly in on start and on pause, on resume, on stop, and on destroy. The message in on create we will print, for example, I am writing on create is called. So when the onCreate method will be called, this log message will be generated. I am writing the message in all functions. After writing the message in every function, we will see these tags in logcat. In logcat window, we will apply the filter here on the basis of our tag, and our tag is simply codetrix. So we will write the tag here. Now run the application to see the outputs. When I will open this application, it will generate some logs here. On create, on start, on resume is called. When I press the back button, on pause and on stop is called. And when I clear the application from the recents, on destroy is called. Let's understand each function one by one. On create is the first method which is called by the system. This method is the birth of the activity. We set up and organize all the important components inside onCreate method. After the onCreate method, onStart and onResume is called. At this stage, activity becomes visible and the user can interact with your application. When you press the back button or move to the other activity or open any other application, the system calls onPause method. It is like the putting your application on pause, still running but not in front. On stop is called when the activity is not visible. It simply stops your activity to manage the resource efficiently. And finally, on destroy is called. This is the end of your activity. It is called when the app or the activity is destroyed or shut down. Simple cleanup time. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Tariq Mahmood signing off.